And don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to take this, what? You taking what? Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Veggie Rose. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday when we do Sweet Saturday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite, or what was one of my favorite non-vegan meals, which is a veganized version of it, of course. So we're making some vegan General Chicken, General Tso Chicken, General Tso Chicken, Tso's Chicken. I don't know how to pronounce that. So if you know how to pronounce General Chicken with the T and the S and the O and whatever, let me know down below how to pronounce it. Of course I could Google it, but why not? You guys tell me, right? What? I mean, like, why not? So anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and make that. So drum roll, let's get ready. All right, guys, so shall we get started? I think so. All right, so I have this at a low heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started by adding, hopefully into the pan and not all into the counter, a 1/4 cup of water. We're also gonna be adding in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So we have this at a low heat, and next I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, which, if you don't know, it's like an Asian barbecue sauce. I'm also gonna be adding in 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in our sugar. I'm doing 3 tablespoons of sugar, which sounds like a ton, but we just added all that vinegar, and it's gonna all balance out really well. And here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water, and I'm just gonna mix it up to make like a little slurry so that it doesn't like clump up our mixture. And then we're gonna go ahead and quickly mix that in. And stir, stir, stir away so it doesn't clump up on you. And I'm putting the heat to medium just so I can thicken up the sauce. You guys, I was so close to forgetting to show you that you also have to add in 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 garlic cloves minced, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes to this sauce. How could I forget? That's because on my recipe, I had it on a second page where I had to flip the page in order to get to that other side, and I kind of totally forgot. So we're gonna let this cook so that the ginger doesn't taste so raw, and the garlic as well. So we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes, and our sauce is done. And here we have our flour and water mixture. So basically, I have just enough flour and water to make a consistency of batter that's thicker than pancake batter, and it's like thick enough for it to stick to your cauliflower without running off. I'm also gonna add a splash of soy sauce to this. So next we're gonna be battering our cauliflower, and I actually have 3 cups, approximately 3 cups of cauliflower florets that have been chopped up. Of course, if they're florets, they're chopped up, right? All right, so this one might be a little too big, so you just want like nice bite-sized pieces, and you're gonna batter them up, and then we're gonna go ahead and fry them, but you could definitely bake these. This is 1 whole head of cauliflower, but it turned out to be about 3 cups. And we're gonna go ahead and dunk these guys into here. And if you don't want to like deep fry your cauliflower, you could definitely bake it the way you would bake like cauliflower wings. But there's something about just that sauce with a nice crispy exterior from a fried piece of cauliflower. So it's been about 4 minutes since this has been frying up, and once they've changed in color and they get like a nice sort of like tan going on, we're gonna go ahead and remove these, because the little dark pieces, you don't want them to get any darker because then they will burn. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these, and you're gonna continue to do this until you're done with your entire batch. All right, so a lot of you guys have been asking me for recipes that are more for like single people, people who don't have families, and I just wanted to simplify this one for you. So let's say you just have a few of these guys here that you have fried up or baked, of course, and then you have your sauce. I put my sauce in a jar whenever I make it, and then you make just the amount of cauliflower that you want to eat for that time. Whoops, I had two lids on there. Whatever amount you want to eat for that time, and then you're gonna go ahead and pour in however much sauce you would like. Save the rest of your sauce in the fridge, and it doesn't take much space in your fridge because it's just a little mason jar with your sauce. And then you can go ahead and add your cauliflower into a little bed of rice and eat it like that, or you can have it with noodles. And I like to sprinkle on some green onions and some sesame seeds. And there you have your dish for one. You could even use instant rice if you wanted to. You can do ramen with your cauliflower, general cauliflower, and then save the rest of your sauce for whenever you want to make more. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test cam. So I have a piece of our general cauliflower, and we're going in. Oh my God. Oh, that is so darn good. You guys have to try it out. You have to. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. And I know you guys are always telling me, slow it down, Rose, slow it down. I can't help it. I'm so hyped, and I'm always like, da, 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 da. It's so hard for me to slow down. Here, let me try to slow down for you. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you guys make this recipe or any of my other recipes. Hashtag Let's Get Veggie, hashtag Veggie Rolls, because I would love to see what you made and love to know what you think about it. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye, guys.